Did everyone forget about 2021? It's crazy to say this, but it seems like everyone forgot about what happened in 2021. The crazy gains, the adoption, the hype, and the bullish sentiment. This was only 2 years ago. From then, our technology has gotten better. Our marketing is better. Our projects are more fundamentally sound. And people are getting smarter with crypto investing. How could you not be bullish on the future potential of the crypto space? I just find it crazy that everyone seemingly forgot about the madness that unfolded 2 years ago and that the halving is less than 1 year away. We could realistically be setting ourselves up for another phase of mania. Now we have 1. BTC ordinals and further BTC adoption. 2. POS-ETH and further development of L2 solutions. 3. Lots of promising third-generation blockchains. My fav are Cardano and Ergo. 4. Larger investors in the space accumulating BTC and alts. 5. New meme coins and NFTs pushing the communities forward. The news has continued. Outlets for crypto. Influencers are actively talking about the space every day. And new opportunities are arising for investors and entrepreneurs daily. Don't forget 2021 because 2024 might be just the same. To be fair, it's been like a decade since 2021. And I'm still waiting for 100k BTC by EOY. Don't forget to take profits, friends. You'll never time the peak exactly. You mean 2025? The pattern will never change. Crypto goes up, everyone is ecstatic and wishes they bought more, can't wait for a dip to get a discount. Crypto goes down, end of the world. Chaos and despair. I'm just praying that allocating my student loan payments to BTC and ETH during the pause will pay off all my loans next bull run so I can free myself of these shackles. Did I forget making BTC buys in the 50k range? Thinking I was a genius? No. I am reminded of it every damn day. I really miss those days filled with Lambos and rockets. How can I forget? I'm still deep in the red. This is the 4-year cycle playing out. What do you mean? It's just Q11 of 2021. 14 years and counting, and still the only popular use for crypto in general is speculating on its value in fiat. Mass adoption remains elusive and decentralization is now a total pipe dream. What matters is that this community is getting bigger and better by the day, with adoption steadily rising and younger generations using crypto as the investment of choice. Fantastic times are ahead of us. Continuing to build through the bear market. The time goes different in crypto space. The other day we had an article about analysts that managed to survive the big crash of 2023. We can only hope 2024 will be the same. The greed always returns. The game is positioning yourself to take advantage of that and using past experiences to avoid pitfalls. Honestly, 2021 feels like forever ago. Absolutely brutal bear market this has been. That's correct. It has been a painful winter, but all the progress you have mentioned will drive on similar, hopefully better results in the next bull run. If you want to find a positive point of this hard bear market, just think on it as an accumulation period. We all are going to be fine. 2021 just seems like yesterday. How time flies. This kind of dump opinion made me feel ashamed to be part of this community. I joined just after, at the tail end of it. RIP, I've never experienced a bull. That was a long time ago, my friend. A long time ago. Different market entirely fueled by degens sitting at home. Most coins retraced to ATL. Tech doesn't matter the slightest. BTC ordinals and NTFs are dead. There will be something new for the next bull. I suspect it'll be something AI related. The madness that unfolded 2 years ago is exactly the problem with crypto. Crypto value does not seem to be based on real-world value. Instead, it seems to be based on investor sentiment only. Another bull run may or may not happen. If it happens, it will be extremely difficult to take advantage of it. Because you don't sell if you expect a further rise in value. And then the value crumbles overnight and you sit on your coins again, waiting for years for another bull run. How could I forget? We need a regulatory framework that will allow big money to enter the market. That is the next evolutionary step crypto needs. Institutional money. Make the most of the cheap prices. Those that have DCA throughout will hopefully be nicely rewarded over the next few years. The bear market happened. People catch fear. They either sell at a loss and get salty, some just disappear from the space entirely. Others stick around and get bored because things are just crabbing along. The highs of 2021 end up seeming like ancient history. But the good times will be back and this sub will be exuberant again. Nowadays moons are getting news articles written about them. We've come a long way. Even in the last couple years. This news has lifted the spirits of millions of investors. I just love it. PTSD intensifies. It does seem like so long ago. I hope we get a repeat of it in 2025. It does seem like so long ago. I hope we get a repeat of it in 2025. XRP, Chainlink, Hedera, Quant, and Veracity will change lives. Yay, I said it. People are easily swayed by a change in public sentiment and have short memories. This is why I also think we will continue to have bull runs as long as there is possibility of big gains. Green dildos do things to the brain. I just upvoted everyone. To the moon to you all, smiling face with hearts. Didn't forget my investments have and will never be the same. Caught some daggers to the heart but also took a few trips to the moon. It's gonna be a blast when we get back to that level of excitement again. All I remember from 2021 was buying the top in April and one disappointment after another since then. I think 21 was very unique. Won't see anything like that again for decades. Might also take a few cycles to get back to those ATHs. I remember it like it was yesterday. Still holding ADA ATH bag DANM it. And what followed? We never know, man. Yes. And in 2021 my only regret was I didn't get in the previous bear. Not having the same regrets in 2025. We're still in 2021, folks. Q11. Laughter. I am convinced that the next bullrun will be much more massive than the last one. But there is time until it starts. Now enjoy these prices and accumulate patiently. Need BTC having economy improvement first. Ukraine war finished will also help. 2025 is the year. If the community is being pushed by meme coins and NFT, then we're doomed. We also had zero into rates, QE and helicopter money. Looks like everyone's rushing back to buy up the Bitcoin they only just sold. Grayscale winning the SEC case is about to open the floodgates for all those ETFs. Tears of joy, thumbs up. Nice post. This is exactly why I don't understand the mentality of this sub at all. It's always doom and gloom during bears, but from what I've seen in my very few years in crypto is that crypto always goes back up. Just my 2 cents as a crypto noob.